What's going on, everybody? So we started working on the Prelude project, and we started out by went ahead and had to put rear brakes and rudders on it. Went ahead and didn't have to change the rear rudders, probably could have turned them, but went ahead and changed them out and want to get some fresh rudders and pads in the back. We got a little bit of footage in this video, going to show you guys. Went through a little bit. Didn't film every little bit of thing, every little bit and piece, and showing you the step by step and what nuts and bolts go where. But just to kind of show you guys a little bit of overview, how clean the car is looking right now, and just kind of a little bit of go through some of the processes and just kind of start out the build. There's some other videos coming up for the Prelude project, and got some more things coming up, but wanted to go ahead and kind of put this one out there and show you guys where we're starting out with it and kind of see where we're at. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Alright, so you guys seen the video, you guys seen the footage. As I was saying before, you guys kind of seen that the fact that I didn't show every little bit of thing like I said before, but you know, I wanted to kind of show a little bit of where we're at in the build so far right now. That was one thing I had to go ahead and do because it really needed rear brakes. As you could probably see from the video and the footage, it was definitely needed. They were getting kind of thin, and now that they're changed, the stopping power has definitely increased, and it drives a lot better. Now that we went ahead and got that out of the way, and that was one thing that would really need to go ahead and get changed, because obviously it's a safety thing, and you know, I'd rather feel safer with just going ahead and putting new brakes and stuff on it. The fronts we'll probably be doing here soon. They weren't that bad, but we went ahead and changed the rears because, as you've seen in the video, they were pretty bad. They were probably about between 1 and 2 millimeters. That's fairly low, and I mean the pads are already small as it is, so you don't want to take any chance and risk. So, but without further ado, guys, if you guys want to help support this project, I'll leave some links down in the description below so you guys can help check it out. And also helps support the channel by subscribing, hitting that notification bell. Make sure you guys stay up to date when I put out the videos. And we're working hard and really trying to work on the editing, really trying to get better for you guys. And definitely working with a lot of new software and stuff just to try to make the videos better for you guys and more entertaining to watch. And just really trying to put out better content and really trying to push everything better for you guys out there that are watching my channel. If you're not, subscribed, again, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, share on the videos, whatever you guys want to do. Put the videos out, show whoever you want. It doesn't matter. Thumbs up, thumbs down, it doesn't matter. But without further ado, guys, that is all the time I got in this video. Till next time, guys, keep on.
There's about to be a massacre, so hold up.